For the past few days, I'm having lots of problem with my eyes, and I'm having lots of headache. So whenever I want to go to the Facebook or browse the YouTube, I'm having a problem with my vision. With the light coming from the device, from my smartphone, I'm having so much pain. So what can I do now? I have to fix the problem as I use the smartphone and PC or laptop. So I have to find a good solution so that the problem will be solved. So let's start. Now, in the first video of how to enabling dark mode in your devices, I'm going to show you how can you enable dark mode in your smartphone. And in the smartphone, we most often use our browsers or many other apps or something like that to enable dark mode. So if you're having pain in your eyes or having headache issues, you can enable dark mode in your smartphones. So I'm going to show you how can you enable dark mode in the Chrome browser. So in the Chrome browser, what you're going to do is to type in the search bar, just see carefully because it's spelling sensitive. Type Chrome, then have to put a colon, then to backslash, then type flags, then another slash, then type enable and a hyphen, then dark mode. So after writing this, you have to press enter. So it will redirect to new functionalities. It will say this experimental. So make sure it's actually experimental. It is not dedicated to the settings, main settings of the Chrome browser. So it says warning, experimental feature ahead. By enabling this feature, you could lose browser data, or there might be some security issues. So there are some available options right there. So what you need to do is to, in the top search flag, what you have to type is dark mode. Okay, so if you press enter, two of the options will appear. The first one is the Android Chrome UI dark mode tab parenting, and another is dark mode for web content. The first one is enabled for me as I have eye vision problems and headache problems. So when it is enabled, the theme of the Chrome browser will be in dark mode, and the next one is the web contents. Whenever you search for a website, Facebook or ClickBuzz or any other kind of websites, all of the web contents will be in dark mode. So it will force all of the web content of the website to transfer into dark mode, so that you will no longer have a kind of eye issues, or you have some ease. So if you want to enable force dark mode in web content, just click on the button of default. Then it will appear some options like enabled with HSL inversions or RGB inversions. It is now default. I don't want to change it. If you want to change it, you have to enable it. So after enabling, what you have to do is just see in the lower part, your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch the Google Chrome. So when you relaunch the Google Chrome, it will take into effect. You will be able to see the changes transform into the dark mode. So for now, I'm just want to cut it, because by using this feature, you can clearly use your browser in the dark mode. These two options is very much handy. So I'm just want to close it. That I want to show you is to how to enable dark mode in your YouTube app, because most often we watch YouTube videos and we just search for browsers. So browser option is cleared. So now what you need to do is to go to the YouTube app. Okay, YouTube app. Just if you want to enable dark mode, what you're going to do is to find the upper right corner small icon, like I have an S options. So what you need to do, just go to this small icon, and in the lower corner You find settings, go to the settings options, then the general options, and then you see the dark theme is already on. So if you want to disable it, you can disable, you can enable it, it will turn into the black grayish color. So by this you can clearly browse your YouTube in a dark mode. So it's very much handy, it's very much cool feature. So these two options is very much handy for those who want to use the dark mode in a smartphone. So in the later videos I'll come another options, another sections where you can enable the dark mode in your smartphone or your PC. So till then, if you liked the videos, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Kيفية and get the latest technological news, views and updates very clearly. And if you have any problems, comment below. And thanks for watching.